Hello, I am Karthik Jain. I am the Scrum Master of the SWE project. This is Group A10. The project is about lecture feedback system. In this project, we have three user groups: admin, faculty and students. Now we first log in through the admin. We are now logged in as admin. The functionality we added in the sprint 2 of the project is in the admin portal is that the admin can view the details of all registered student and faculty members. We can view the details by clicking the View Details tab. Now we can see the faculties and students that are registered in the currently running autumn semester. Now let's add a new user. We click the Add User tab and we enter a new username 14UCS051 with a password. The user type is student and let's say the courses opted are SWE and ITWS. We click add. After clicking add, we get a confirmation that the user is added successfully. For cross-checking it, we can click the View Details tab and the corresponding username can be found 14UCS051 with password and the courses opted. Okay, let's log out from the admin. Now we will check new functionalities added in the Sprint 2 of Faculty Portal. Now we log into the Faculty Portal. We enter username, say nursi.boloju and the password. We are now logged into the Faculty Portal. We can see the dashboard. By clicking the Courses tab, I can see the courses which I am taking. Now we create a poll. I can select the course which I am taking, say SWE, and I enter the lecture title which has done. Intro to testing part 2. Let's say due date is tomorrow and I create the poll. I get confirmation that the poll is successfully created. We are working on the activity tab. It is under process. Now let's log out from the faculty portal. Now we will check new functionalities added in the Sprint 2 of a student portal. Now let's log in as a student. We enter the username 14UCS014 and the password. In the dashboard, we can see the student has opted for 2 courses which has total 6 credit and this is odd semester. The courses detail can be seen in this. He has opted for SWE course and OS code and the credits are reflected in the brackets. Now we click the Activities tab. In this tab we can see 2 courses SWE and OS, and in the brackets we can see the total number of available polls. Now we click on the Polling tab. In this we can see the courses which the student has registered. Let's select OS. Now here we can see there are 3 lectures available. This can be verified from the entity in the bracket here. Now suppose we select lecture 2 in the OS and click submit. Here we can see the lecture title class diagram which is retrieved from the database. Now there are 3 options. We click one of these and click post. Now the response has been recorded in the database. Now we switch on to the post tabs. Here we can see the post by other users. These are also retrieved from the database. We can post something by ourselves also. Now we switch on to the assignment tabs. We are currently working on this section. Now we log out from the student section.